Hello, my little explorers! It's Teacher Lucy here. Today we're going to explore 3 amazing worlds in our diorama. On the left, we have a colorful farm with horses, sheep, ducks, cows, and cute little bunnies playing together. In the middle, we have the snowy Arctic, home to polar bears, seals, penguins, and Arctic foxes living on ice and snow. And on the right, we have the deep blue ocean with starfish, jellyfish, octopuses, clownfish, and a giant hermit crab. Are you ready, my friends? Let's explore all 3 worlds together with Teacher Lucy. First, Teacher Lucy spreads the blue paper on the table. Look, it shines softly like the sparkling ocean. Next, she sprinkles green sand on the left side of the model. We gently smooth it so the grassy area becomes soft and even. Then she adds colorful pebbles along the line between the grass and the water. It looks just like a tiny rainbow path. Now we move to the Arctic zone. Teacher Lucy spreads a fluffy layer of white snow. It falls lightly, just like soft little snowflakes. On the right side, she adds yellow sand to make a warm little beach. A few gray pebbles make the beach look more natural and real. Next, it's time to color our farmhouse to make it bright and cheerful. Wow, look how the house glows after we finish coloring. Here is the underwater cave. It seems like something is missing. Teacher Lucy adds more blue to make the cave look deeper and colder, just like the real ocean. After that, she adds pink and red corals around the cave. These colors make the undersea world look lively and beautiful. Finally, she places curved waves around the cave and adds a big rock where the seals or sea lions can rest in the sunshine. On the beach, she adds a palm tree, some seashells, and a bright little starfish. In the farm area, she puts more green plants and flowers around the house. She also sets up a small barn and plants 3 corn stalks in the garden corner. In the Arctic zone, she places blue ice blocks on top of the snow and adds tall snowy pine trees around the frozen lake to make it look even more magical. Ta-da! We're all done, little ones! Our model looks wonderful and full of life. Now, let's explore and see where each animal lives. Jellyfish. Jellyfish live in the ocean and have soft, jiggly bodies like jelly. They move by gently squeezing their bell-shaped bodies. Jellyfish do not have eyes, a brain, or a heart. Their long tentacles help them catch food and stay safe. Some jellyfish glow beautifully at night. Even though they look gentle, they can sting a little. They drift through the water with the ocean currents. Sailfish. Sailfish are known for their big fin that looks like a sail. They are one of the fastest swimmers in the ocean. Their long, slim bodies help them glide through the water. Sailfish hunt small fish with quick, powerful dashes. They can change colors to hide or communicate. They like warm oceans and often swim in groups. Their sail fin pops up when they're excited or warning others. Seahorse. Seahorses look like tiny horses that live underwater. They swim upright, something very rare for fish. Daddy seahorses are the ones who carry the babies. They use their curly tails to hold onto sea plants. Seahorses swim slowly using their tiny fin on the back. They can change colors to blend into their surroundings. They eat tiny creatures like baby shrimp. Starfish. Starfish have 5 arms and a rough, bumpy body. They don't have a brain or blood. Starfish can grow back arms if they lose one. They move with hundreds of tiny tube feet underneath. Starfish eat clams by gently opening the shells. They live in shallow water and deep oceans. Their colors can be red, purple, blue, orange, and more. Clownfish. Clownfish live safely inside sea anemones. A special slimy layer keeps them from getting stung. They are smart and live in small families. Their orange and white stripes make them easy to spot. If the mother clownfish dies, the father can change into a female. They make soft clicking sounds to talk to each other. Clownfish carefully protect their eggs. Octopus. Octopuses have 8 long arms that can bend in any direction. They are very smart ocean animals. Octopuses can change their color and patterns to hide. They squirt ink to escape from danger. Their soft bodies fit through tiny spaces. They hunt crabs, shrimp, and small fish. Each arm has many strong suckers. Stingray. Stingrays have flat bodies that look like wings. They swim by gliding gently like they're flying underwater. Some stingrays have a stinger on their tail to protect themselves. They like hiding under sand. Stingrays eat clams, shrimp, and tiny creatures on the ocean floor. Their eyes are on top, but their mouth is underneath. Many stingrays have beautiful patterns for camouflage. Hermit crab. Hermit crabs live inside empty shells to stay safe. They change to bigger shells as they grow. They can't make shells themselves. They must find new ones. Hermit crabs crawl using their claws and legs. Some live on land, others live in the water. When scared, they hide inside their shell. They are very active and love being in groups. Bears are strong animals with big paws and sharp claws. They eat many things: fish, berries, honey, and more. Bears have excellent noses and smell very well. They can stand on 2 legs to look around. Some bears sleep during the cold winter. Their thick fur keeps them warm. Mother bears take very good care of their babies. Sea lion. Sea lions have smooth bodies and are very quick. They can walk on land using their front flippers. Sea lions make loud barking sounds to talk. They swim fast and hunt fish together. They are smart and can learn many signals. Male sea lions have thicker necks. They love resting on warm rocks. Penguin. Penguins can't fly, but they are amazing swimmers. Their black and white bodies look like tiny suits. They walk with a cute waddle. Penguin parents take turns keeping the egg warm. They catch fish by diving fast underwater. Their thick feathers keep them warm and dry. They stay in big groups to stay safe and cozy. Seal. Seals have round bodies and a thick layer of fat to stay warm. They swim gracefully and can dive very deep. Seals make funny arf-arf sounds. They eat fish, squid, and other sea animals. On land, they wiggle on their bellies. Seal moms keep their babies on ice. They enjoy warming up in the sun. Arctic hare. Arctic hares have bright white fur that hides them in the snow. They have strong legs for running on icy ground. Their round bodies keep them warm in the cold. Their short ears help save heat. They can jump very far to escape danger. They eat moss and twigs under the snow. They live all year in freezing places. Fox. Foxes have bright red or gray fur. They are clever and move quietly. Foxes hunt small animals like mice and rabbits. They have sharp hearing and a strong sense of smell. Foxes like living alone. They are most active at night. Their fluffy tails help them balance. Wolf. Wolves live in big packs that work together. They talk by howling. Wolves run fast and far. They hunt together to catch larger animals. Their thick fur keeps them warm. Wolves are the ancestors of today's dogs. They live in forests, mountains, and snowy places. Red-throated loon. These birds have bright red throats. They fly long distances over the sea. They dive into the water to catch fish. They make loud calls and stay in groups. Their feathers repel water so they can float easily. They nest on rocky shores or near lakes. Loons usually stay with one partner. Bird. Birds have wings that help them fly high. Each bird has its own special song. They eat seeds, fruit, or insects depending on the species. Birds build nests from twigs and grass. They have great eyesight. Many birds travel long distances when the seasons change. Bird feathers come in many beautiful colors. Cow. Cows are gentle and calm. They love eating grass and chewing slowly. They have small horns and long tails. Cows live together in herds. Mother cows care for their calves. They walk slowly and softly. Cows give milk to feed their babies. And people, too. Sheep. Sheep have thick, fluffy wool. They are gentle and stay in groups. Their baa-baa sound is very cute. Sheep eat grass and soft leaves. Their wool keeps them warm in cold weather. Mothers and babies stay close together. Sheep run quickly when surprised. Dog. Dogs are our loyal friends. They are smart and can learn many tricks. Dogs have strong noses. They love running and playing. They bark to communicate. Dogs come in many sizes. They can protect their family very well. Horse. Horses have long legs and can run very fast. They live in herds and listen carefully to sounds. Horses eat grass and drink lots of water. Their long manes are beautiful. They communicate with neighs and ear movements. Horses are friendly and easy to train. People have ridden horses for many years. Duck. Ducks have flat feet that help them swim. They make funny quack quack sounds. Ducks swim well even as babies. Their feathers don't get wet because of special oils. They eat grass, seeds, and tiny water creatures. Ducklings follow their mother in a long line. They live near ponds and lakes. Goat. Goats have pointy horns and little beards. They love climbing rocks in high places. Goats eat leaves, grass, and bark. They are quick and curious. Goats bleat loudly. Their fur can be white, brown, or black. Goats stay in small groups. Rabbit. Rabbits have soft fur in many colors. Their long ears hear even tiny sounds. They love eating vegetables and fresh grass. Rabbits are gentle and like cozy homes. Their soft feet help them hop quietly. Their noses wiggle to smell the world around them. Rabbits enjoy playing with people. And that's the end of our adventure today, little explorers! All three worlds, the ocean, the Arctic, and the farm, were full of surprises. Teacher Luxie had so much fun learning and playing with you. See you in our next adventure! There are so many more wonderful things waiting for us.